trailhead to play in the snow and take pictures and maybe do some drone shots.
It's not too windy.
Well, we're driving up to Bunny Flat. We don't know yet if we're going to stop and need our chains, but the road in places has snow. So at least we have chains in our trunk. Yeah, aren't the trees pretty?
All right, we are at Bunny Flats up by Mount Shasta. See Mount Shasta back there? It is snow all over the place. We had to put our chains on to get up the road, but this is going to be fun. We're just going to walk up the road a little bit, look around, and there's lots of people here, a lot of cars in the parking lot. You want to say anything, or did I say everything?
You said everything.
Okay.
But turn so you can see the road where they didn't plow it.
Oh,
So we
okay.
didn't walk up.
So we're going up the road right there, and this is gonna be fun.